Hello, this is May's Design Corner, and I am doing a collab Tablescape Tuesday. And y'all know how I love Tablescape Tuesday. Well, this Tuesday is wildflowers, and the host of that is Jennifer at Home, and we're going to be styling with wildflowers. Jennifer at Home. Y'all please go on down to the playlist and help these folks out. Because I tell you one thing, I am going through these so fast that and it's hard putting these tablescapes and different things together for you all to see. So go and give them a hand and let them know that you are really enjoying these videos. Did you go and see the ribbons and bows? Oh, everybody had so many beautiful things on the ribbons and bows and showed you how to do nice, good things. And I'm waiting now to see the Father Day bash. I know it's going to be out of sight. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this video, and then I'm going to go and look at some more videos because I love looking at nice videos. So this video is Tablescape Tuesday, Wildflowers, and the guest host on this is Jennifer at Home. And the host is the Grace Life DIY Home and Decor. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to show you wildflowers. So I will be putting this on here. I've already cleaned it off. It look like I got a little something on there. So I'm going to wipe it down one more time. I'm going to be using this. I love this stuff that Anna used. So I'm going to put a little more on here. I wiped it down, but it's still something on there. So I'm going to wipe it down again. Yeah, I'm going to wipe it down one more time to make sure I wiped it. But you know, dust comes from anywhere. And my son made this for me, and I am so proud of this. Okay, so we're supposed to be making a tablescape with wildflowers. And you know, I really wanted to go outside. See, I had already cleaned it. There's nothing there. I wanted to go outside and do the wildflowers outside, but I said I might as well go ahead and do it the right way and make the tablescape. So this is one set of my wildflowers. You see that? I love this. I think that is so pretty. So I'm going to put that one over there. And I have another one. I'm going to sit this right here. I just love that. That looks so pretty. So I'm going to turn that around and set it right there. And then I have my chargers. I've had these for years. These are old, and these are the chargers I'm going to use. Then I have another one. This is a place setting for 2 under wildflowers, okay? And on that charger, I'm going to put 2 white plates. One here and one there. Y'all know prayer really works. I know you know prayer really works. Yes, it does. Without prayer, where would we be? Nowhere. We wouldn't be anywhere. And then this right here is a haul from Steinmart. You remember Steinmart, the store down here, but it closed out. It's no longer in business. I got this from Steinmart. There's the tag still on it. I got that from Steinmart, and the year is still on here too. I got this from Steinmart in 2009, and I still had the tag on it because I was just using it for tablescapes and display, not for eating out of. So the tag is still there. So I'm going to put that one there. I want you to see that. I would like to again thank Jennifer at home and honor of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor for this beautiful collab. Wildflowers. And you see my wildflowers there and there. So next I'm going to put my, I'm using white napkins and I'm going to place it right there. And I'm going to put a white napkin on this side over here. And they are silk, the white silk napkins. I got the full size ones. And I'm going to put my silverware out international style. I'm going to put my knife right here, fork, and spoon. I'm setting this international style. Knife, fork, and spoon. There you go. And I have two glasses that I have up here that I'm taking down and put a glass there and put a glass right here. There you go. So this is my setting for wildflowers for Jennifer at home. I would like to thank you so very much for looking at my table. I hope that you enjoy my setting for two. And I just love this. Doesn't that match that really well? That is absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. This is May's Design Corner saying, don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and alive and well. Things look bad out here, y'all, but we gotta keep our mind focused on God. He's the only one that can come in here and take care of all this stuff. And I don't know about you, but I'm waiting on the Lord to step in and make a mighty move. This is May's Design Corner saying thank you, Anna, and thank you, Jennifer, and thank you all content creators for participating in this wildflower tablescape. This is May's Design Corner saying adieu. And prayer really works, y'all. Adieu.